Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the volunteer workshop in rock painting care service. We are so happy to meet you guys here in this workshop, and we hope this workshop will give you some useful information about volunteer program in our service. Okay, let's start. Before we go to the volunteer program, we would like to share with you a brief introduction about our service. We provide rock painting service for the children who live with the cancer with the age from 8 to 15 years old. And this service will give them the opportunity to express their feeling, their thinking, and whatever they want through the painting on the rock. And we are sure that this will be unforgettable memory for the children in their life. Our mission statement is that every child is worth to have happiness, and to improve the quality of our service better, we are looking for the volunteers who have patience and love for the children. Okay, next slide will show you some duties that volunteers need to do in our service, because we need a graduate and therapist assistant. There are two main duties. The first one, of course, you will play and support the children during the painting activities. As you know, you will work with children who live with cancer. Some of them will have difficulties in the painting, and some of them will don't know how to express their ideas. So you will be there to support them, to encourage them to join the activities, and to suggest them some ideas for the painting, to make them feel comfortable during the painting activities. And the next one will be, you will assist the therapists and therapists to implement the workshop for the children. Something that you have to do, like you will collect the documents before the workshop, you will prepare materials, you will set up the places such as chair, table, and light. You will invite children to participate to the workshop, and after the workshop you will provide some evaluation form to the participants, and then collect them to the service so we can know what we have done well and what we have done not well to improve the quality of our service better. And don't worry about the task here. Don't feel it pressure, because you support us, so it means we will be there to help you in your performance. So don't worry, okay? And who can apply? Everyone who is older than 16 years can apply this position. There are only two required documents we need you to submit to us. The first one will be the police record check, and the second one is two-step TB skin test. If anyone don't know how to do it, how to apply this document, you can come to us after this workshop and we will show you how to get this document. And the last one will be the first aid with level C CPR. This is optional. It means we don't require you to have that, but we encourage you to have this certificate, because you know you work with children. There will be some injuries happen to the children. So if you study about the first aid, you will know how to deal with the problem, how to help the children in these cases. So that means we encourage you to have that. So now please think about that and try to get first aid certificate. It's very useful for your job. Yeah. Thank you. And the next one, the reason why you should volunteer here in our service, because it's a chance for you to contribute to the community, especially for the children who live with the cancer, and it's also a chance for you to meet other people, to enhance your network, and afterwards you can receive more job opportunity for your future career path. Especially the most important here, we don't require you to have experience. If you have experience before, it's good. If you don't worry, it's okay, because you come to us to get experience, So we will provide you some Chinese courses to improve your knowledge and to give you the opportunity to gain real experience. So don't feel stressed, okay? And what can rock painting care service help you? Yeah, I know you are waiting for this question, right? This answer, right? Okay, here we provide you some Chinese courses. We will teach you how to deal with the anxiety with the children, how to approach these children effectively, how to support them, how to encourage them during the activities, and moreover, we will teach you how to enhance your problem solving skill when you have to work by yourself. You know, recreation therapists cannot be there in the workshop with you most of the time. Sometimes you have to do that workshop by yourself. So we will teach you, we will show you how to do it better. Yes. And the last one will be the art therapeutic skills. We will teach you how to enrich your interpersonal skill, how to be patient with the children during the painting activities, and we will give you some lessons to enhance your reactivity in the painting, in the drawing. Yeah. So that's what we can do for you. It's right? Yeah. Thank you. And after all, the most common question that all of you always ask us, what can you have after all, after you volunteer here in this service? We greatly appreciate your contribution to the service as well as to the children's life. So we created a volunteer recognition program for you, all of you here. In detail, after 3 months you work here as a volunteer, you can receive a certificate with personalized merchandise. Such as you can receive a band, a pencil, a shirt, or pad, or other items with your names there, with your picture if you feel comfortable, and other details if you want to put in these items. Yes. And after 6 months you work here as a volunteer, we will react a thank you video for you guys. We will record all the activities that you have done to our service. Yeah, and in this video we will send you a message from our leader and some maybe meaningful message from the children that you used to work. Yeah, and after that we will post this video on the YouTube or our website, and we will play it in the office or any event. Yeah, if you feel comfortable, we share it. Yeah, and after 1 year you work here as a volunteer, we will host a volunteer appreciation gala for you guys. In this gala, you can dress up beautifully. You can meet other volunteers to share experience about your volunteer life. For example, and you can take your family member to that event. All of you can enjoy the dinner, can have the fun activities with each other, and at the end of the gala, we can take a photo with other people to have good memory about that. Yes, it's alright for you guys. I know. Yeah. So after you hear about our volunteer program, the last slide I would like to show you is how can you apply the volunteer program in our service. It just takes you a few minutes to fill in the form with a simple step. You just need to put your name, the date of birth, your address, your cell phone number, your availability, your experience if you have. If you don't have, just list your preferences. If you are a student, you can ask your coordinator to put their name in that field, and I think they are willing to help you. And thank you. And if you have any questions, please ask me now or email to me. And we are waiting for you. Join us and to create a wonderful memory with each other. Thank you.